Welcome to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. I'm Dimitri, the creator, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Live Page Editor. Live Page Editor is a canvas-like tool where you can easily preview combinations that your clients might want. So this is particularly useful for designers and developers. We all have that one client that says, hey, could you do this so I can see it, done in this particular way. So it turns it into an editable canvas that anyone can see. And I want to show you how that works. First, in order to launch it, you can launch it as per usual using the quick launch toolbar. You can use Q&E as the shortcut. So we use the initials in our operating system in order to get to any tool quickly. If this is something that you use often, you can also go to settings, go to extras, and assign it a particular shortcut by dragging it up and down. You get 9 slots for your 9 most used tools. So if you like Quick Edit, you use it often like I do, you can use it directly here. So you can also use it, for example, if you're doing presentations and you just need to change a couple of words, you can launch it, click here and, just type this. And once you exit, it will be persistent. So you don't have to constantly redo HTML pages if you just want something quickly. Now, the way it works on actual pages, let's say you're on a page, you're rebuilding a website, you've got the old site, you need to grab this hero image. Now you could possibly drag it. That sometimes works if this is set up properly and it's an image. Most of them are done as background images, so you can't just do that. So in order to do it, you can just highlight everything, delete it, launch the screenshot tool, which you also have available via the shortcuts, and it's already compressed, optimized in whatever format that you want. So this is one super quick way to just mock up anything that you want right in front of your client. Another way to use it is just for yourself while you're designing. If you want to have a look at how something looks, you might want to say, I wonder what that looks like over here or over here. There is a swap mode, so you can highlight everything like this, press S for swap, highlight the thing you want to swap, and they'll instantly change places. So if you just want to eyeball it and see how something would look, that is another way to use it. If you want to see how a heading would look, you can launch this, press Command S for the editing mode or the style mode, and this pops up. Now, if you have automatic CSS installed, which I recommend everyone get, because it's the best system, in my opinion, best CSS styling framework system out there, then you can use this to also preview how something might look. So bigger heading, smaller heading, you can launch it, press Command S, click the heading you want to change, and from the font size, you can then see how it might look as an H1, an H2, etc. So this is really a super fast prototyping tool that is especially useful for website designers and developers when you want to show a client something or you just want to test something for yourself, see how something might look in a different color, rather than opening a page, going to the preview, changing it, saving it, going on the front end, seeing how that would look. You can very, very quickly do it using the Live Page Editor from SEO Time Machines.